If you are looking to make repeated income or money from one customer, even without having to look for new customers in your business every time as a small business owner, then this video is for you. Because today I'm going to be sharing exactly with you how you can make more money repeatedly, and I mean predictable repeated income from just one customer, even when you don't have other customers coming newly into your business. So if this video is something that interests you, even if it's just a little bit, you just want to find out what that trick or strategy is, then stay glued, hit the like button and subscribe to this video while we get straight to work today. Hi, my name is EriOluwa. If you're seeing me for the first time, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I help you discover, start, grow and build your businesses in the most confident and strategic and well-structured way possible. So if this community is where you would like to join, please subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So one thing I've realized as a business owner, as a small business owner or as an entrepreneur is that it is very easy for small businesses or businesses to fall into one cycle. And that cycle is that when their customers buy once, then they wait again till another customer comes, and like that and like that and like on. And the fact is that why most businesses fail is the fact that they are unable to build sustainable income that can help them to reinvest into that business. And so the whole thing collapses after a while when there is no income or funds coming in steadily. And in this video today, let me just share with you, as we like to get practical on this channel, okay, some of the very practical ways that you as a small business owner, can start making money repeatedly, even from those your current customers, even those your small number of customers that you think you have, okay? There's a way you can keep making money repeatedly from them, and that can be, very predictable, that can help you to sustain your business, all right? So let's be very practical here like we always do, okay? So if you're watching me from Nigeria or you're Nigerian abroad, you understand very well that there's unstable power supply in Nigeria. That's one major challenge we are trusting God for help to help us with in this country, okay? So there's this guy that helps us in my house to help us fix our generator set, all right? And we call him Mr. Wale. Is our generator mechanics, or we call him Engineer Wale. So what Engineer Wale does is that he comes over to the house whenever we call him for him to come and help us to repair or to, service the generator set, so that while we are not even thinking of it, the generator will not just break down. So for many times, I realized that we usually forget to call Mr. Wale to service the generator set. And like that, when we need the generator set the most, that is when the generator set will likely collapse. And we'll now, remember that, we need to call Mr. Wale to come and service this generator. So one day when he came around, what I told him is that, Engineer Wale, if you are really a businessman, let me give you this strategy. So for how many customers do you service their gen in like one day? It was like it can go to maybe like 5 to 6 places in one day. And there's a fixed amount of price that he collects for servicing the generator and to come to your house for home service, unless you want to take the generator sets to him. So I was like, okay, the truth is that we always keep forgetting to call you back time after time. Why don't you have something consistent that you can put up a calendar? Just use your calendar app on your phone, okay? Mark the date that you come today to help us to service our generator set. You know that in another 1 month, the ideal thing for us is to service that generator set again. So put on your calendar for the next month the exact date that you're coming back to our place to service the generator. And we already know by default that every month you are going to service the generator. That will be 12 times in a year. And since you're going every day like that to your customers homes for like 5 to 6 people every day, you know that for the next 12 months, which is a year, you already have for each day or each specific day 5 to 6 people that you're going to service the generator set in their homes, okay? That way it makes the work easier. You already have a fixed income coming to you steadily. You already put a notification ahead of time to the customer that, okay, so date is when your generator needs to be serviced again, so I will be coming over. So everybody is prepared. In fact, you can just have some of the customers pay you all at once, and you can just know that you have that kind of steady income. And that was how I advised him. And so the reality is that as a business owner, you need to go out of the usual way to think of strategies of how you can actually make your customers or your current customers to pay you repeatedly, which was what I pitched to Engineer Wale. All right, so what even is that recurring income we're talking about? Recurring income simply means an income or a way that you can get money every time repeatedly from one customer. So you already know that this customer, I'm going to take money back again from this customer for the same product or service that I'm rendering to him at one particular point in time. So that's what recurring income means, okay? So if you are a smart business owner, and especially in this year 2026, that is what you should be thinking of, because the truth is that that is where most smart entrepreneurs are tilting towards now, so that they can have predictive or predictable income that can help them to sustain their cash flow, that can help them to always have money that they are pouring back into their business, that can help them to always have a constant or consistent level of income and cash flow in their businesses. So for Mr. Wale, that way, Mr. Wale already knows that for 12 months in a whole year, he already has steady income. He has stable amounts that is expected, which is very predictable. Not only did I pitch that to Mr. Wale, I remember my husband also pitched that to his barber, the guy who cuts his hair. And so because the guy cuts his hair, he cuts the hair for my children too. So he already has 3 people from my family alone that he cuts their hair consistently for the next period of months and at a specific time. So the only thing we just need to do is that at that specific time, he's going to call us for the appointment, and like that, the money keeps flowing in. You can impute this in your business, no matter the level of your business, okay? Even if it is online or offline, especially if you are offline. Maybe you are a baker, you are a barber, you are an hairstylist, you are a laundry business owner, whatever thing that you're doing. In fact, this did not just only apply to our barber or to Mr. Wale, our generator mechanic. There's this guy that I consistently buy pepper from. And what makes it interesting is that there's a particular day every month that this guy prepares my pepper and sends it over. It's for him recurring income, because I don't have to stress, I don't have to go through that as well. So what exact solution or what exact advantage or benefit will your customer be getting? That is what you will sell to them. For the guy who sells pepper to me, I already know that I don't have to stress or think about how I will get pepper for the whole month. He already knows the exact thing to package and to send to me, and for that month I'm just going to refrigerate and keep on going. That guy for me is solving me stress, is saving me time. I don't have to be thinking of going to the market all over. So what exact benefit will your customer be gaining? That is what you will sell to them, and you will pitch to them in a way that they will come back to keep paying you, maybe monthly or bi-monthly or anyhow that is going to be sustainable for your business. So the thing that you need to be looking out for now to help you to gain that recurring income is to find that benefit, or maybe one incentive, or even a discount that you can give to your customers if they are going to be paying maybe for 6 months straight or 12 months straight. And like that, you know that you have predictable income, you know that your cash flow is steady, and you can pour that back into your business, and you don't have to be looking for new customers, even though new customers will keep coming, okay? But you don't have to keep waiting for new customers to come and buy before you start or before you make the next income in your business. All right, so as a smart business owner, start thinking of the best ways that you can impute recurring income into your service or into your plan for your customers. Even if you're an online service, you can give monthly support, or create a support channel for your online customers, that they can know that they can always come back to you. You can create subscription plans, you can create package bundles for them to be able to pay maybe annually or monthly. Do you understand? So you can just give them a discount so that it will look like a good deal for them. As a business owner or as an entrepreneur, these simple but very smart and strategic things are what you need to put in place in your business to help you keep running, to help your business to keep growing, and to help you sustain your income. All right, so try out this recurring income strategy that I've mentioned. Look at the best way that you can present it or sell it to your customers. Maybe give them a discount for paying at once, or give them incentives or even bonuses. All right, and then by that you will know that you have recurring income for a period of time which is predictable, which can help your business to keep thriving. Now, this particular video is just to help you, to inform you about what better way you can implement in your business as a business owner to make recurring income. Please do the due diligence, and I'm not in any way confirming to you or ascertaining you that you're going to get your results based on what I have shared today. It depends on your level of work and commitment. So please do your due diligence, and then share with me in the comment section this strategy, how it has helped you, or which way it has helped to increase your cash flow in your business. So because on this channel I bring to you practical things that work for people and that can actually help you practically in your businesses, I found the perfect platform, no matter the level of your business or no matter what kind of business you're doing, maybe offline or online. I found the perfect platform that you can use to build this recurring income system in your business. So you just need to explore the platform, and the platform I'm talking about is the Main Stack platform. See, no matter what your business is, maybe you are doing e-commerce, offline or online business, and using this platform can help you to regenerate recurring income and automate the whole process for you. My link to the Main Stack platform is in the description of this video. Click on my link and explore that Main Stack platform, okay? And see the diverse ways that you can use it to start building an automated system that can help you to gain recurring income in your business, even if you work online or offline. So check out the link in the description of this video and click on my link to the Main Stack platform and explore it. Create your own Main Stack account. It is all free. Just go through it, and it can totally help you to automate your recurring income system. All right, so please like this video, share it, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications so that when I post new videos that will help you to transform and get you informed about your business, you're going to be the first person to actually see it. Until I see you in my next video, please click this one right here. It's going to help you. Bye.